What's up, guys? It's your boy Flick once again, and today I'm gonna go over the question that everyone always asks me: should men shave their balls? My answer is hell yeah. But in order for you to trim that naughty jungle of love and go out on your date and look smooth and have that smooth balls, you need the proper tools. So today I'm going over a review of Manscaped 3.0. It's a trimmer to shave your balls. If this sounds interesting, let's jump into it. Guys, there's no doubt about it that in order for you to trim your balls, you need something really good and reliable. That's why the Manscaped 3.0, I've tried it, and for me, it's actually been a real lifesaver. Because if you really try to use a regular trimmer or a regular, shaver, you're not gonna get that much of a result. You're gonna get your hair jammed, or you're gonna get those bumps because you can't shave your balls with a shaver. And that's why Manscaped created the Lawnmower, the 3.0 Lawnmower, which is made specially to shave your balls. There is no question about it that every guy has to shave their balls. You don't want to be rolling around with a hairy nutsack or with some hairy balls, especially when you're out there with a girl and you're about to get your freak on. Guys, no, that's insane. So that's why the Lawnmower 3.0 is a great tool for you. It's sleek design. It's better than the 2.0, and the 3.0 actually comes with a 7,000 RPMs, meaning that it's actually gonna trim your balls, really good, compared to a shaver that's only about 4,000 RPM. Not only that, guys, but it comes with a ceramic blade. What's the difference from a regular blade and a ceramic blade? Well, let me break it down to you. The ceramic blade is actually made for coarse hair. Yes, that's right, for the thickest hair that there is. And actually, trimmers that use ceramic blades, they come standard in, when they use trimmers for the animals. Yeah, like for pets, right? Right, because pets have coarse hair, so they really thought about putting a ceramic blade, because what's down there? Coarse hair, those thick ass pubic hairs that we have. Well, not any trimmer could just trim those. You actually need a real well-designed blade, like a ceramic blade from Manscaped, from the Lawnmower, to actually cut those hairs. And what I also like about, the Lawnmower 3.0 is that it's waterproof. So you can shave in the shower, dry, or, when your hair's all wet. What I also like about the Lawnmower is that it has a lithium battery, rechargeable, so it gets about an hour shave. I've done the comparison, guys, and I charged this baby up for an hour, and it charged up, and I was able to trim all my hairs, and still had some, so it doesn't really die off on you. It's really good. Also, what I like about the Lawnmower 3.0, guys, is that you're not gonna get those bumps, or it's not gonna pull your hair because of the motor that it has. 7,000 RPM is pretty fast, so it's actually gonna chisel that coarse hair and those thick, pubic hairs that you have. Now, one of the things that I do want to let you guys know is that this is made for your balls, all right, and for your balls only. It's not made to trim your beard. It's not meant to trim your facial hairs. And quite frankly, I wouldn't want to use this for my face because there's bacteria down there, guys. You don't know, maybe you got herpes or something, or maybe you got genital warts, and then you're gonna trim this with your face. No, you don't do that, guys. So use this strictly for your pubic hairs, for your body. Do not use this for your face, because your face is actually a lot sensitive than your down there, your package. I also want to mention that the Lawnmower 3.0 does come with the LED, as you can see when you turn it on. And that's for, when you're shaving down there, to get into those dark spaces, making sure you get all those nut hairs, all those ball hairs. And I'm telling you guys, if I could show you a picture of my balls and how smooth they are with the new 3.0, you'll be amazed. And I'm telling you now, just on a personal note, when I've been out on a date and I've been in bed. The girls have complimented me and told me your balls are really, really soft. So thank you, Manscaped 3.0, for hooking me up. I left down a link below, guys, to check it out. The price, 79 bucks. A lot of you guys are asking me, is it worth 79 bucks? Well, to tell you the truth, it is worth it, because there is no trimmer out there that could do this. I tried shaving with the shaver and it cuts me up. Sometimes I get bumps, sometimes it pulls on my hair, but the Lawnmower 3.0 has actually been really, really smooth towards my skin, and has left me real great results. So I definitely recommend this. I hope you found this video informative, guys. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I am your boy Flick, improving your life one video at a time. And until next time, guys, peace.